Now true and false. The diagonals of a rectangle are equal and perpendicular bisector of each other. It is false. Why? Because they are equal but they are not perpendicular bisector. Got it? It is false. Because they are not perpendicular to each other. Okay? Okay. Now a parallelogram has two pairs of parallel sides. Ayush.
Ma'am, it is true.
Next. Aditya.
Ma'am, third one.
Yeah.
In a kite, pair of adjacent sides are equal. True. Yes.
True. Next. Advait.
Yes, ma'am. The diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Yes, ma'am. This is true, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. I wrote something
True.
else in my notebook.
It's true. The sum of interior angles of a hexagon is 540 degrees. Yes, Nabhya.
Ma'am, I missed the fourth question. That's why I wrote
Ma'am,
false.
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 Ma'am, interior angles hexagon, that is 6 minus 2 into 180. That is
It is
4 into 180, which is 4 into 180, which is
Nice.
720 degree.
It is 720 degrees. Okay. Now next is short answer type. Niharika.
I have to tell the steps.
Yeah.
Let the angles of the quadrilateral be 1x, 2x, 2x and 4x respectively. 1x plus 2x plus 2x plus 4x is equals to 360
Why?
because angle sum property.
Sum of angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. Yes. Now, what is x equal
X
to?
is equals to 40.
40. Measure of each angle?
Angle 1 is 40.
Yes. 40.
Angle 1 is
Then
angle 2 is 2x is equals to 80. Angle 3 is also 2x, which is 80. And angle 4 is 4x, which is 160.
very good, Niharika. Yes. Next. Yes. Nirvan.
Yes, auntie. 105 plus 45 plus 2x is equal to 360.
Because sum of angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree.
Auntie, so 105 degree plus 45 degree is 150 degree. Plus 2x is equal to 360 degree. 2x is equal to 360 minus 150 degree. 2x is equal to 210 degree. X is equal to 210 by 2, which is equal to 105 degree.
So, yes.
So the measure of each angle is 105, 45, 105, 105.
चलो सुयाश बताओ.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, let the two sides of parallelogram be 2x and 5x.
मैम या फिर ऐसा लिख सकते हैं ना, लेट x बी द कॉमन
हाँ,
वेरिएबल.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. 2x and 5x. Now,
Is equal to perimeter of a parallelogram is equal to 2 into L plus B.
मैम इसका भी सेम ही फॉर्मूला रहता है ना.
actually perimeter is sum of all sides, right? So in this also as in case of rectangle, the two sides are different. Okay, so you can write
Yes,
the
ma'am.
same formula for it. Yes.
Is equals to 2 into 2x plus 5x in brackets is equals to 70.
2 into 2x plus 5
Plus 5 is equals to 70. 2 into 7x is equals to 70. 14x is equals to 70, x is equals to 5. The first side is equals to 2 into 5.
So the side,
First side is equals to 2.
the sides we can write down are, yes,
2 into 5, 10.
10 centimeters. Do not forget to
Yes.
write units. Yes, 10 centimeters
And 20,
and
25 centimeters. 25.
25 centimeters.
Again 25.
25 centimeters. Go.
आंटी और मेरे को बताना था कि वो हमारी मैम ने कंफर्म कर दिया है कि प्रूफ आने वाले हैं।
हाँ, प्रूफ है।
वो रेक्टेंगल वगैरह का
यस, प्रॉपर्टी।
आपने बोला कि
तो
प्रूफ
वो
आने वाले
प्रॉपर्टीज
हैं।
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ध्यान रखना। प्रॉपर्टीज सबको अच्छे से करनी है कि ये प्रॉपर्टीज आपको आगे भी काम आएंगी, ठीक है। हाँ, यस निर्वाण।
हाँ, so aunty, the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So 3x minus 2 is equal to 50 minus x.
हाँ, ये हो जाएगा 3x plus x
X is equal to 50 plus 2, which so 4x plus 52. X is equal to 30. X is equal to 13. तो आंटी therefore the angle is 3 into 13. नहीं तो 50 minus 13 कर दो।
हाँ, कुछ भी चलेगा, both are correct. You both are equal.
47.
So
नहीं 37, क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं? 37 आंटी।
37 degree. The other angles will be, other angle will be?
Other angle is also 37 as opposite angles of
other angle. These two angles are the angles which are given, 37 degree. Okay.
मैम, मुझे कुछ
Remaining
बोलना
two
है।
angles are?
Aunty, remaining two are 143.
Yes.
That is 180 degree minus
Minus
37 degree.
37 equal to 143 degree.
143 degree.
3 degree.
Okay.
Aunty.
Understood this question? 143
एक मिनट मैम।
degree. Why? Because co-interior angles
Co-interior angle sum up to 180 degree.
are supplementary angles. Problem, ma'am. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, Karthik.
Ma'am, first we need to make a rough figure.
P, Q, R, S.
And PR is a diagonal, so we need to join P and
PR is a diagonal. Yes. Angle Q is 50 degree.
Mama, I didn't make a diagonal. I didn't make a diagram.
You should make diagram in all such type of questions. It is compulsory to make diagram. Okay. PRS, angle PRS is 70 degree. Then find the measure of angle QRP. QRP. You have to find this angle, and SPR. S is this, PR is this. You have to find this. Yes, now tell me, Karthik.
Ma'am, angle S will be equal to angle Q, which is equal to 50 degrees as opposite angles are
Yes,
in
is
a
equal to 50 degree because opposite angles are equal.
Ma'am, therefore, and ma'am, you can add it to the rough figure.
Then
Ma'am, then angle RPQ is equal to 70 degrees as alternate
RP
interior
is
angles.
equal to 70 degrees equal to angle S PRS, right? PRS. Why?
Ma'am, RPQ is equal to PRS because of alternative interior angles. QRP will be equal to 180 degrees minus in brackets RPQ and PQ.
RPQ plus angle
PQ.
PQR. By which property?
Ma'am, because all this angle sum of triangle is 180 degrees.
So angle sum property, right? So this is equal to 180 degree.
Minus 70 plus 50.
So your answer is
60 degrees.
60 degree. Everyone is getting same answer.
So ma'am, QRP will be equal to SPR.
So angle QRP is equal to angle
SPR.
SPR. So this is equal to
60 degrees.
60 degrees. Why?
Alternative integral.
Now what is given to us? Rhombus PQRS. PQRS is a rhombus. So let us name this P, Q, R and S is rhombus. So angle PQR. PQR is 54 degrees. We need to find out angle PRS. Angle PRS is this angle. In a rhombus, opposite angles are equal. A rhombus is also a parallelogram, right? And in a rhombus, opposite angles are equal. So angle Q is equal to angle S equal to 54 degrees, right? This side is equal to this side, right? Because these are the sides of rhombus. So PS is equal to SR. Why? Because these are sides of rhombus, right? So they are equal. Now since these two sides are equal, therefore let us write down angle SPR is equal to angle SRP. Let these two be equal to x. Okay, why they are equal? Because in a triangle, तो जब दो साइड्स इक्वल होती है ट्राइंगल में तो उनके अपोजिट एंगल्स, इसके अपोजिट एंगल ये है, इसका अपोजिट एंगल ये है, तो एंगल्स आर आल्सो इक्वल बिकॉज इन अ triangle angles opposite to equal
Ma'am, this
sides.
happens in a isosceles triangle.
Yes, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Is it clear? So now this is 54, this is 54, this is x and this is x, right? So now you can find value of x by angle sum property. Okay.
T2x plus 54
So,
equal to 180.
Yes. So by angle sum property, x plus 54 is equal to how much? 180 degree. So 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 54. So x is equal to 180 minus 54 is how much?
126.
126 divided by 2. How
63.
much? This is equal to 63 degrees.
आंटी मुझे इसमें एक चीज पूछनी है.
Yes.
आंटी आपने जैसे वो इन अ ट्रायंगल एंगल्स अपोजिट टू इक्वल साइड्स आर इक्वल, उसकी जगह हम जैसे आपने एंगल Q और एंगल S को इक्वल बताया था बिकॉज दे आर अपोजिट, तो फिर उससे नहीं कर सकते कि हम P और R को इक्वल?
आपको P और R को इक्वल तो कर सकते हो, पर उसको वैसे भी प्रूव कर सकते हो. सी इसमें P और R इक्वल तो है, पर आपको तो एंगल ये वाला निकालना है बेटा, ये एंगल निकालना है आपको, पूरा
ठीक है
एंगल थोड़ी
आंटी.
निकालना है. ठीक
हाँ
है,
आंटी, ओके ओके.
है ना?
हाँ.
Question number 3. P, Q, R, S is a rhombus. And what is given to us? Given PR. The two diagonals, the length of two diagonals is given to us. That is 6 centimeters and 8 centimeters, right? So diagonals PR is equal to 6 centimeters and QS is equal to 8 centimeters. And what is property of diagonals of a rhombus? Yes. Adishri, can you answer? Yes, Adishri, are you there?
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
answer? What is the property of diagonals of rhombus? Yes.
Diagonals of a rhombus.
Yes.
Ma'am, they bisect each other at perpendicular bisectors.
Very good. Yeah, perpendicular bisectors. So diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisectors, right? So this angle is 90 degree, right? And since they are perpendicular bisector, so if this point is O, so what is the measure of OS? Yes, can anyone tell me? What is measure of OS? Yes?
Half of OQ. Half of SQ. Half of
Yes, half of
आंटी तो फिर 4
yes,
सेंटीमीटर
half of QS, which is equal to 4 centimeters. And what is measure of OR?
half of PR. Half of
Yes, half of PR.
3 centimeter.
That is equal to 3 centimeters. Now see this triangle SOR. This is a right angle triangle.
is equal to side square.
Yes.
Auntie,
This is
4 square
Pythagoras theorem, right?
Pythagoras theorem.
Very
हाँ
good.
आंटी
So,
आंटी मेरे को इसी से मेरे को क्वेश्चन पूरा आ गया
yes,
पहले
by
इजी है बहुत
Pythagoras. This question is good and mark star here. By Pythagoras theorem. Yes. SR square is equal to OS square plus OR square. So this is equal to 4 square plus 3 square. SR square
20
is equal
centimeters.
to 25. So SR is equal to 5 centimeters. Now one side of a rhombus is there. Then perimeter of rhombus will be?
Because the sides are equal.
Yes. Perimeter of rhombus is equal to 4s, sum of all sides. So 4s means 4 into 5, which is equal to 20 centimeters. Is it clear to you all?
करेक्ट आंटी करेक्ट हुआ मेरा
Okay, good. Now question number 4.
यस आंटी प्लीज मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा
Okay. Now question number 4. In a rectangle PQRS, let us draw first rectangle. हमेशा ध्यान रखो फिगर्स तो ड्रॉ करना ही है, ठीक है? फिगर्स ड्रॉ करोगे तो अपने आप आपका सोल्यूशन वहीं आ जाएगा. दिस इज रेक्टेंगल PQR and S. Okay. Now it is given to us angle SQR. SQR means we'll have to draw diagonal of this rectangle. Okay. So angle SQR, this angle. This angle is how much? 60 degrees. And we are supposed to find angle SRP. SRP. Okay. This side. So let us write this as X. What is the property of diagonals of a rectangle? So the diagonals of rectangle are equal and they bisect each other, right? Let this be O. Therefore, OR is equal to OQ. Again, OR is equal to OQ means angle ORQ is equal to angle OQR, right? Again, which property of triangle? Because angles opposite to equal sides are
आंटी कल जो टेस्ट होगा उसमें प्रॉपर्टीज लिखनी है क्या
Yes, बिल्कुल जैसे स्कूल में करोगे वैसे लिखना ही है. जैसे मैं लिखती हूँ, मैं कैसे लिखती हूँ, मैं एक एक चीज लिखती हूँ ना बेटा, इसीलिए तो लिखती हूँ कि you should know how to write down. So now see, this side is equal to this side. So angle opposite to this side is this. This is equal to 60 degrees. Okay. Now see, this angle R is equal to 90 degrees because yes. What should I write here?
All the angles of a rectangle are 90 degrees.
Yes, because it is the angle of rectangle. Yeah, all angles of rectangles are 90 degree. All angles rectangle are equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Now see, angle R is also equal to angle ORQ plus angle SRP. Okay, so angle R is 90 degree and this is
Auntie
60
SPP.
degree and this is angle SRP. SRP. Okay, so now SRP is how much? Angle SRP will be how much?
30 degree.
Angle SRP is equal to 90 degrees minus 60 degrees. This is equal to 30 degrees. Clear? So question number 5. Yes. Now ABCD is a parallelogram in which CE is perpendicular to AB. Here it is given to you CE is perpendicular to AB, but you should also write down CF is also perpendicular to AD. CE is perpendicular to AB and CF is perpendicular to AD. This is not given to you. Okay, this information should be there, right? Now it is given to you that angle ECB, this angle is 40 degrees. You have to find angle X, Y and Z in triangle ECB. Okay, by angle sum property. By angle sum property. We can write down angle ECB plus angle CEB plus angle EBC is equal to 180 degree, right? Means this angle plus this angle plus this angle, okay, right? So angle E is 90 degree. Why? Because CE is perpendicular to yes, CE is the perpendicular to AB. So this ECB is 40 degrees plus 90 degree plus Y is equal to 180 degree. So Y is equal to how much? 180 degree
50
minus
degree.
130 degrees. This is equal to 50 degrees. Okay? Clear?
Auntie.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am, मेरा
see,
correct है.
very good. Now see, Y is equal to Z, right? Y is equal to 50 degrees.
Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal.
Yes, opposite angles parallelogram. Now see, angle Z you have taken out. Yes. Now see, this angle is Z. Okay. Now here, if you see, this is 90 degree. This is 50 degree. So this angle will be how much? Yes. In triangle.
90 plus 50 minus
40
1.
degree.
Yes.
40 degree.
पे 90 डिग्री कैसे आया?
वही CF is perpendicular to AD. ये
Auntie,
आपको
perpendicular
information
perpendicular
नहीं, बाइसेक्टर नहीं है, बाइसेक्टर नहीं है. ये आपको information नहीं दिया है,
90
ये
degree का है ना
incomplete है.
इसलिए.
CF is perpendicular to AD.
अरे आंटी तभी मैं सोचूं ये कंप्लीट क्यों नहीं हो रहा है?
हाँ, नहीं नहीं, ये आपको RD शर्मा में ये क्वेश्चन है और यहाँ पे वो उसमें मेंशन है CF is perpendicular to AD. Clear? So in triangle, हाँ, in a triangle CDF, okay, and by angle sum property, okay. So angle FDC. So here, now see, we were here, no? Now this angle, yes. So angle FDC plus angle DFC plus angle DCF. DCF is equal to 180 degree, right? Okay. So now FDC is 50 degrees plus this 50 degrees plus this is 90 degree plus angle DCF is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So angle DCF is equal to 180 degrees minus 140 degree. This is equal to 40 degree. So this angle is 40 degree now, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now let's see. Now in this,
So x will be equal to 40 plus 40, and then we'll subtract it from 180.
yes. So angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Why? They are adjacent angles of parallelogram, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Adjacent angles
co-interior angles.
of parallelogram. Okay. So angle C is equal to how much? Angle D is 50 degree. So angle C will be, angle C is
130.
equal to, yes, 180 degree minus 50 degrees. So this is equal to 130 degree.
हाँ आंटी तो x 50
This is angle C. Angle C is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we can write down here angle C is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Yes. So angle C is equal to 130. We have already taken out. Okay. 130 degree is equal to angle 1 is 40 degrees. Okay. Angle 2 is X and angle 3 is again 40 degrees. Right. So X is equal to 130 degree minus 80 degrees. So how much it is now?
50 degree.
50 degrees.
50 degrees. Got it?
Okay, ma'am, I got it.
Is it clear to you all?